Good morning, students. Now we are going to solve the some NEET based questions on defects of vision. So, question number 91. A person can see clearly up to 1 meter. Means the clear distance can be taken as image distance. That image distance can be taken as minus of 1 meter. Then find the nature of power of lens which enables him to see things at the distance of 3 meter. Means object distance is given, that is a minus of 3 meter. Okay, so what is our question? The nature and power of the lens. We have to find the nature and also power of the lens now. Okay, how to solve this question now? By using lens formula. What is lens formula? 1 by f is equal to, we are going to find the power. So if we get the power is negative, then it is a concave. If we get the power is positive, then it is a convex. First we have to find 1 by f. Then 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Then, so what about v given? That is a minus 1 meter. That is minus of 1 by 1. Then next, what about u given? That is a minus 3 meter. Means minus of minus, that is plus, that is 1 by 3. Then it is a minus of 1 plus 1 by 3. Then taking LCM, what is LCM here? 3 is the LCM. So minus 3 plus 1, it is a minus 2 by 3. So what is the answer for minus 2 by 3? That is a minus of 0.66. Okay, so what is 1 by f? 1 by f is nothing but that is a power. Then power is equal to minus of 0.66 diopter. Because what is the unit of power of lens? Unit of power of lens is diopter. Now negative sign means it is a concave. Nature of the lens is concave. Nature of the lens is concave. And power is power of the lens is 0.66 diopter. Then it is the answer. Then power is equal to minus of 0.66 diopter. Minus indicates that the nature of the lens is concave. Okay, next we are going to solve the question number 94. A far-sighted woman has a near point of 1.5 meter. Means at this distance the woman can see the image clearly. Means image distance can be taken as minus of 1.5 meter. Minus of 1.5 meter. Then calculate the focal length of the lenses for her eyeglasses so that she can read a book held at 25 centimeter. Means object distance can be given minus of 25 centimeter. Then also find the power of the lens now. Okay, so we are going to find the focal length now. So what is the focal length now? So by using again lens formula, that is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. It is the formula used to find the focal length of the lens. Then what about v given? That is minus of 1 by 150 centimeter. Because here u is given in centimeter, then you have to take this one in centimeter. Means 1 meter means 100 centimeter. 100 into 1.5, that is 150 centimeter. Then here, so minus by minus, that is a plus 1 by 25. Then what is LCM here? LCM is nothing but here 150 into 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5, that is 750, plus 2 into 0, that is 0. 2 into 5, that is a 10. then 2 ones are 2, then 3. It is 0, 5, 7, 3. 3750. Okay, what is LCM here? LCM is 3750. Then 150 25 is that is 3750, and 25 150 is that is again 3750. Then now 25 into 1, that is minus 25, plus it is a 150. Then minus 25 plus 150, that is 125, plus 125 divided by 3750. Then it is a 1 by f. Then next, f is equal to 3750 divided by 125. On solving this one, you will get the answer, that is plus 30 centimeter. Why there is a plus? Because this minus of 25 plus 150 is 125 plus 125. So 3750 divided by 125 is nothing but plus 30 centimeter. So it is the focal length of the lenses. Next, power. Then power is equal to 1 by f. But you have to convert the focal length in terms of meter. So 30 centimeter in terms of meter, that is a 0.3, that is 1 by 0.3 diopter. Okay, it is the power of the lens. So next question number 95. What focal length should the reading spectacles have for a person for whom the least distance of distinct vision is 50 centimeter? What do you mean by least distance of distinct vision? At this distance the object can seen clearly. This can be taken as image distance. At which distance the object can seen clearly, that distance can be taken as image distance. Solution: V is minus 50 centimeter. Now U can be taken as minus 25 centimeter. Actually, for the normal eye, what is the distance of the object to see clearly? So that is minus 25 centimeter. But for this defect now, the person can see the object clearly. So at the distance of 50 centimeter, means we are going to take it as a image distance. Again by using lens formula, that is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Then substitute the values here. That is minus of 1 by 50. Then minus by minus, minus by minus, that is a plus. That is 1 by 25. What is LCM here? LCM is nothing but 50. Then 51 is 50 and 25 2 is 50. 1 into 1, 1, that is minus 1. Minus 1. 2 into 1, that is 2, that is plus 2. Then it is a 2 minus 1, that is a 1, 1 by 50. Then it is a 1 by f, but f is equal to plus 50 centimeter. Then it is the focal length of the spectacles. Now question number 97. A man who wears glasses of power 3 diopter must hold a newspaper at least 25 centimeter away to see the print clearly. How far would the newspaper have to be if he took off his glasses and still wanted clear vision? Means we are going to find here now V. So solution now. So power is given, power is 3 diopter given. Then so we are going to see the object clearly at the large distance now, because he took up his glasses and still wanted to clear vision. Means how far would the newspaper? Means it is a farsightedness. For the farsightedness we are going to use the which lens? Convex lens. That means the power of the convex lens can be taken as positive, that is P is equal to plus 3 diopter. Okay. Then P is nothing but here 1 by f. Then 1 by f is equal to 3. Then next, what is the distance of the book given here? Newspaper given here 25 centimeter. That can be taken as object distance, that is minus of 25 centimeter. Convert this one to meter now, because Diopter is nothing but per meter. It is in per meter means we have to convert this one to meter. It is a minus of 0.25 meter. Okay, so we are going to find the distance at which the object seen clearly, that is a par distance. So that can be determined by using the lens formula, that is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Then substitute the values here. Then 1 by f is nothing but it is a 3, then 1 by v, then minus of minus, that is plus 1 by 0.25. So I will take this is 1 by 0.25 to the left hand side, that is 1 by v is equal to 3 minus 1 by 0.25. Then so 3 minus of 1 by 0.25 is nothing but that is a 4, because 1 by 4, 1 by 4 is nothing but 0.25. I will take this 4 to the numerator, then it is a 3 minus of 4, that is a minus 1. Then it is a 1 by v, but we required v now, then v is also minus 1 meter. Okay, it is the far distance at which the object seen clearly, that is v is equal to minus of 1 meter. Next we are going to solve the 101. If your eyeglasses have focal length 60 centimeter, what is your near point? Means at what distance the object can seen clearly. Okay, means we have to find the image distance. At what distance image can be seen clearly now, that is called image distance. We are going to find the distance of the near point now, again by using lens formula, that is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Then so what is u now? U is nothing but it is a minus 25, then it is 1 by 60, it is 1 by v, then minus of 1 by 25. So minus by minus, that is a plus 1 by 25. Then 1 by v is equal to 1 by 60 minus 1 by 60 minus 1 by 25. Then what is the LCM of 60 and 25? Multiply 60 and 25 now. So it is a 300, then it is a 120, because 62 is a 120, then you will get the answer 1500. Then LCM is nothing but here 1500, then 60 25 is a 1500, 25 60 is a 1500, then it is a 25 into 1 25 minus 60 into 1, that is 60, then it is a 1 by v. Then now so 25 minus 60, that is minus 35, minus 35 divided by 1500, that is a 1 by v. Then v is equal to minus of 1500 divided by 35. So on solving this one, you will get the answer nearly about 42.8. By rounding that figure, you will get minus 43 centimeter. Then which is the answer here? The answer is 43 centimeter. The near point is at 43 centimeter. The near point is at 43 centimeter. Now question number 102. For a person, near point of vision is 100 centimeter, means at this distance the object can seen clearly, means we are going to take it is a image distance now. Solution, that is v is equal to minus of 100 centimeter. Then the power of lens he must wear so as to have normal vision should be. Okay, so for what is the power of the lens we have to find. So by using lens formula, that is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. For the normal vision means here without any spectacle, means the least distance of distinct vision can be taken as for the normal eye, that is a 25 centimeter, but at what distance the object seen clearly now? 100 centimeter. Now we are going to take it is image distance, and 25 centimeter is the object distance. Then now we are going to take it is a minus of 1 by 100, then plus 1 by 25. What is LCM here? LCM is nothing but 100 minus of, it is 100 now, then 100 ones are and 25 fours are, okay, 25 fours are. Then now we are going to write minus 1 into 1, that is a minus 1, then 4 into 1, that is a plus 4, then it is a 3 by 100. But here the 100 is in centimeter, we have to convert this one to meter now. 100 centimeter to meter means it is a 1 meter, it is a 3 by 1 meter, then it is a 1 by f. 1 by f is nothing but it is a power, then P is equal to 3 diopter. 3 diopter plus 3 diopter means convex lens, okay. So plus 3 diopter means here convex lens means it is a which type of defect? It is a far-sighted defect or hypermetropia. So next, number 111, a thin convex lens of focal length f is put on a plane mirror as shown in the figure. So as shown in the figure, when an object is kept at a distance a from the lens mirror combination, okay, it is called lens mirror combination. Lens mirror combination, its image is formed at a distance of a by 3 in front of the combination, okay. So what is the distance of the object given here? A given. Object distance means object is here now. Object is here. The ray coming from the object falls on the lens now. There is a refraction takes place, and this refracted ray falls on the mirror. Then there is a reflection takes place, and this reflected ray once again undergo refraction. Means how many times refraction will be there? 2 times refraction will be there. But how many times reflection is there? Only 1 time reflection is there. Then what is the distance of the object here? That is A. U can be taken as minus A. Then what is the distance of the image formed here? That is V. That is V is equal to minus of A by 3. Then we have to find the effective focal length of this combination. Okay, how to find the effective focal length of this combination? By using power. Then effective power of this combination is equal to, so power of the lens plus power of the mirror. So how many times refraction is there? 2 times refraction is there. So power can be written as 1 by f. So equivalent focal length. So power equivalent power is equal to the reciprocal of equivalent focal length. Then here how many times refraction is there? 2 times refraction is there. It is a 2 by FL, because PL can be written as 2 into PL now. 2 into PL, it is a 2 into PL because 2 times refraction is there, 2 into PL. Then 2 into PL is nothing but here 1 by FL, means focal length of the lens. 1 by FL means 2 by FL now, plus what is the focal length of the plane mirror? That is a 0 infinity. Sorry, focal length of the plane mirror is infinity. Then what about its power? So its power will be 0 because 1 by infinity is 0. Then I will write it is a 0. Then it is a 1 by equivalent focal length is equal to 2 by f. So 2 by f, what is f here? F is nothing but it is a focal length of the lens in contact with the plane mirror, okay. Next, so we have to take it is a negative or positive. We have to take it is a negative because after refraction the refracted ray appears to be came from a point. Now it is at left side now. Now equivalent focal length can be taken as a negative here, okay. So that is why equivalent focal length is FEQ is equal to minus of f by 2, okay. Then it acts like a concave mirror. This combination acts like a concave mirror because focal length you got negative. Then it acts like a concave mirror. Then what is the equation? Mirror equation. By using mirror equation, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So our aim is to find a value. The value of a is, means our aim is to find the a value. What about f? Equivalent focal length given here, that is a minus f by 2. Then this can be written as 1 by minus of f by 2, that is equal to, what about v given? V is nothing but here minus a by 3. It is minus of a by 3. Then what about u given? That is minus a. That is plus by minus, that is 1 by a. Then this can be written as minus of 2 by f, because 2 is in denominator, that comes to the numerator. That is equal to minus of 3 by a. Then it is a minus of 1 by a. Then here minus of 2 by f. Here what is common? Here minus 1 by a is common. Then it is a 3 plus of 1. Okay, once again multiply this 3 plus 1 with the minus 1 by a. You will get same thing here. Then now 3 plus 1 is nothing but it is a 4. Then minus minus get cancel. Then it is a 2 by f is equal to 4 by a. Then a is equal to, I will take a to the left hand side and 2 by f to the right hand side. Then it is a 4f divided by 2. So f will be multiplied to the 4 and 2 will be divided to the 4. Then now it is a 2f. Then what is the value of a? Value of a is 2f.